Hi friends, Miss Lovely here, and I wanted to show you, this is shaving cream slime. Shaving cream, can you see it? And it has a little bit of glitter in it. I also added beads, but there's like an orange glitter. And this particular slime is used with a clear Elmer's glue, so it's not a white glue. So I don't know if it makes much of a difference in terms of the color if it were just solid white. My daughter made also shaving cream slime, and she just chose to add the white foam balls in her slime, and hers is like super white. And she also added extra shaving cream, so hers is a different texture. Let me see if I can grab hers. Let me clean my little hands here. Take us on a little journey. I'm here in the studio. Let's see if I can get hers. Oh, it's nice. All right, let's see. All right, so can you see hers, how nice and white that is? And you can see the white foam balls in it too. So cool. And hers feels more, I guess, foamy than mine, because she added extra shaving cream. And you do want to be careful with your shaving cream portions so that you don't make it too stiff. But this is with like a 4-ounce amount of glue, and then maybe 2 full pumps of foam shaving cream. Of course, you have the contact solution as well as the baking soda added to this as well. So fun! All right, here we go. Extra slime. Let's see if I can snap a picture. Whoa! Here we go. All right, take care, Lovely. Take care, aka your mama on a mission here at Lovlee Art Studios. We just wrapped up a virtual slime party. Ah! It was awesome, and yeah, so this is what we made. And this is the one my daughter actually made too. All right, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.